Hello friends. Today I'm showing you this is a trick. Did you know you can send messages with this very simple trick? Alright, look at this. I'll check the balances first. Just stay tuned and follow up to the end. I'm sure you're gonna like this. I'll check the SMS balances that I have on my SIM card. I am using MTN Uganda. Alright, as you can see, look at that, your total SMS are 0. So that means I do not have any SMS bundles here. Alright, let's see how to do it. Okay, open your messages application and try to send a few messages here. I'll type a simple message. As you can see, I was sending messages earlier but they could not be sent. I'll try typing in a new message here for you. Good morning to doctor. As you can see, not sent. Tap to retry. Look at that. Okay, let us deal with this kind of challenge here. First I'll open my phone dial pad. I'll try to buy a few data bundles here because I'll opt to use the internet right now. Yeah, that is a free code for getting points that you can use to buy data or any other minutes or anything. That is a MTN reward. Okay, I'm waiting for my reward. I guess it has come, and I'll check and see whether I've received my reward, the data bundle. Oh my god, look at that. 43 Century bonus MBs. Wow, look at that. 43 MBs received now. You can try it out, but if you're using any other carrier, do not worry. Just use the codes in your country to check balance, to check SMS, or load data manually by buying the data bundle, because we are going to do some little browsing here. Okay, with this code on the screen, copy it as it is, *##. I'll not speak it out for copyright issues and for security reasons. Tap phone information, and as you can see, my current network is MTN Uganda. Okay, I'm looking for something here. SMSC, SMS center number. Okay, you are good to go. Tap there and just do one thing here. We are going to do one thing. We are going to go and tap up web browser application, and I'll preferably use Google Chrome and search for the message center number of my mobile SIM card. I don't know, you might be using AT&T, you might be using any India SIM card, Nigeria, you might be using MTN Nigeria, MTN Rwanda, MTN Kenya, Airtel, any other SIM card, all those in India, any other. Just open your web browser and search for it. As you can see, I'm searching for Uganda because currently I'm within Uganda here, hoping to fly out soon. Okay, look at that. Here you go. That is my center number, and I'll copy or write it down manually. If you have little computer literacy concerning these things, just write it manually and go back to the field space of your phone info and paste it there, or write it there manually. All can work. Alright, we are good to test. Please, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment down your phone brand, and we see who is who here. Alright, look at that. The message is sent already. The message is sent here. Oh wow, the message is sent. Alright, thank you for watching, and please waiting to see you in the next video, and make sure you subscribe and stay updated. We are bringing you more amazing things.